Hey folks, it's Scott and welcome to the X-Fed Homestead. Well, today is a beautiful sunny day, not too hot, not too humid like we've had it the past week or so. It is a great day to do a little bit more haying. So I'm out here with Peter. He's raking up the field right now. Grass looks nice and dry, and he's turning over the windrows. And so we're gonna get to baling hay here shortly. We're at a different location today at a place called Connemara Farms, and it has a beautiful apple orchard and it has peaches. Right here it has grapevines, and they've got some beautiful gardens down the road here a little bit. Well, we got the New Holland square baler over here, as well as the big hay wagon. But Peter also has the round baler back there. I saw some bales made in the distance. Looks like half a dozen round bales were already made. But I'm pretty sure this is what we'll be filling up today. But it looks like Peter's finishing up with the raking. So it's time to get to work.
We need to get it over onto the next row. We can also just sort of make them a small thing like that. So let's assume this is the power. Yeah, they're pretty light. I took a step and I was like, that. I mean, I spent quite a bit of time standing right here and it felt different. That's
What's going on? What's on? You're loose? Putting a wolf? Well, that's nice. About 160 bales. And we're going to take that to the house now and get it stacked up in the barn. Go. Whew. A little dusty in here, huh? Oh yeah. Don't worry about it.
You can push. There you go. Push it against that. Yeah.